All right, gang, we out here at another Cars and Coffee. We got a lot going on today. Let's go ahead and see what they got, man. We stop by the dyno maybe in a few minutes, but let's just check out some cars, motorcycles, and see what they got going on. Let's go. All right, man, we pulling up. Y'all see black and white girl right there. Let's see what we got out here. There go the dyno right there. Got the dyno. Look like we got some stuff out here. Got this Super right here. That boy looking super sexy. Look at him. Look at him. Mustang. We got a whole lineup out here, look like. Corvette. That green thing. This Mustang crazy. That junk's sick. That orange thing right there. You know what I'm talking about? Alright, let's see. Give me some gas, bro. It's Cars and Coffee, man. Alright. Let's look at these Jeeps. I want to see what this Jeep is about. Jeep thing. Boy, kind of sick right there. You got a winch on the front. Some wheels, I think them like 35s or 36 or something like that. Yeah, that boy's sick. I like that. Wonder what the interior look like. Oh, he got goon mask. Red goon mask. That is dope. Look at the back of it.
Dad, can you make a banger?
That's probably the best thing out the whole show right there. He got his little bike. Yeah. Go ahead, go. I want to see you go. Yeah. Yeah. All right, got the scooter, yeah. Got this boy turned up here. Ugh. Yes, sir. Yeah. 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 All right, y'all, we about to go get the scooter in a few minutes. I'm about to jump on the scooter because it's hot as hell out here. Okay, let's go get the scooter. Oh, wait a minute, we gotta see this first. Man, that mug sitting crazy low. Interior nice. Yeah. Let's go get the scooter. All right, we down here now. Got the scooter, y'all. Yeah, your boy. Yeah, your boy got a scooter because he getting too old. Yeah. And she go about 3,000 miles an hour. Stop playing with her. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got. We seen that last time. That boy dropped right there. And this big boy truck just crazy. Look at that. That boy sick. Look at them deep dish. That's like a deep dish pizza. Yeah. It's like a deep dish pizza. Man. Yeah. Oh, man. Thing is crazy. We got the water here. Energy drinks. They free? All right. Let's see, we got a classic old school right here. This thing clean. Sheesh. Real clean. That's going in the intro. All right. Let's see what else we got here. I don't know what this is. Let's go see what he do in this truck. Man, what you got? You got a damn wheel service here, bruh? What?
Do a mobile tire service, so we'll come to you, mount, balance your tires, same machines, you'll see a discount.
Mountain balance.
All that stuff.
So you're mobile.
Yes, sir. Right at your door.
What's the name of your business? Say it loud.
On-Site Tire Co.
On-Site Tire Co.
You can look us up, onsitetireco.com. Go on there, you can shop tires by your size, by your make, model. We have a custom wheel thing on there where you can sit there and pretty much put in your vehicle, it'll show your model, and
okay.
You'll be able to see different custom wheels that we offer as well.
That's what's up. That's tight, man. All right, we like the mobile services, bro. We appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's nasty. See what else we got here, boys and girls. We got more energy drinks. I think it's called Echelon or something like that. I don't know if it's good or not. Pretty dope. On-Site Tire is right here. Oh damn, what the hell is this damn thing? They're like some kind of submarine slash all-terrain vehicle. Crazy. How y'all doing? Good. Man, what the, this yours? Oh damn, okay. Man, this thing crazy. Look at the inside of it. Look at the wheels on it, y'all. The wheels on it just crazy. That is insane. I need to stand back so I can really show y'all what this looks like, because this is just, you can't even get it in frame. That's it. Huge. Huge. Guess they done for today. All right, let's see what else we got back here.
Had to go and tell the fellas, cause you was something special. They ain't from Marietta, girl, I thought you came from heaven. Cause you look just like an angel, but you're hotter than the devil. Digging you no shovel. I need to pull myself together, cause I got a girl and she be tripping. You got an old man and he get jealous, but you know that I could care less. Girl, I feel we were meant to be.
Put in reverse, sir.
Huh?
Put in reverse, sir.
Yeah, let me check this out. They got a Nova right here. Damn. Shit's clean. I mean, when it's wet, I'm talking about wet. Yeah. Super clean. This is nice. What year is this, sir?
60.
60?
Yes, sir.
Clean. Super clean. I like that. It's a Pontiac Catalina. Big white walls on it. Real nice. Check this out right here. Put the headlights on it. Ain't wet. Spirit V8. We've seen this one before. And this hot rod right here is crazy. How you doing?
Good, and you?
Good. How you doing today, sir?
Good, and you?
Good to see you out here today in this nice sunny day.
Yeah.
What you got here? Because this look like some of the cars that I used to play with as a kid.
It's a 32 Ford Coupe.
Okay.
It's actually got a small block Chevy in it, automatic transmission.
Ugh.
So, but it runs nice, goes straight down the road. So.
Okay, show us a little bit about the engine, what you got going on here.
So, I just kind of play a joke on people.
Okay.
So if you look, it says it's got Ford valve covers on it. So, but it is actually a Chevy engine. So it just kind of plays a trick on people.
Nice.
That they look at it and they go, oh, it was nice you put a Ford motor in a Ford car, and technically it wasn't.
Wow. How long have you had this piece of artwork?
I bought it in November.
In November?
Yeah.
Nice price tag, or did you get a deal?
It was a nice price, but I started looking on how much it cost and time-wise to actually build one, and I decided I wanted to go play instead of build a car. So.
Any customizations, any type of paint jobs or anything done on it?
No,
Okay.
No, so.
And you plan on keeping it, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, well, we really appreciate you giving us that information today.
Sure.
You can check out the footage on I'm Not From This Planet on YouTube. I do technology, cars, and guns.
Okay.
Yep.
All
nice
right,
meeting you. Are
thank
you a
you.
veteran?
Yeah.
I appreciate your services, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Real nice. This is one of my favorites today. Look at that. You can even see spark plugs, plugged in, all that stuff is crazy. Big fat meaty tires. That's the inside of it. And here go the tires. Them must beefy, meaty. Dual pipes, springs up under. Nice, very nice. All right, guys, let's get back. Right now, we're all the way over here. We're probably gonna head back over in that area right there and see what's going on. How y'all doing today? Good, y'all having a good time? Yeah. That's what's up. What's your name?
Jacob.
Jacob, nice to meet you, Jacob. What's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea, nice to meet you. Very nice to meet you. What was your favorite car out here today? Most favorite?
The one over there.
What was it?
That's a great question.
Huh?
NSX.
Okay, NSX. What was yours?
Honestly, I saw this Land Cruiser. It was a hybrid.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Very good.
Hybrid. What am I talking about? Diesel.
How long y'all been out here?
Just you mean like in general?
8, 9.
8 or 9?
Yeah.
Okay, I came late as hell.
Yeah.
So I'm wrapping it up.
By like 10.
I know they starting to leave out now. It's a long ass line out there too.
We're just
Yeah,
chilling for
so
a
we're just
second.
chilling.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way you won't, you know, get stuck in the traffic going out or anything like that.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice meeting y'all. Take care. Yep, nice meeting you. Take care. All right, y'all. That's what's up. Let's get back over here on the other side and see what's going on. Take y'all for a ride real quick. That boy nasty. I had to stop for this, y'all. Man, that wrap on it is just, I love it. Look at the engine. Look at this. You can see it through the reflection. That thing cold. I'm loving that. Oh, hold up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Scooter almost took off on me. Sheesh. Let's look at this puppy. This boy nasty. It's all right. Yeah, that's nasty. From Ohio. Yep, and that's it. That thing look like real nice. I like this Benz too. Sweet. I don't know if we have enough time for the dyno, y'all. Crazy. All right, let's get over to the other side here. See what's going on. They want to be in the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Egyptians. Yeah. Zayak. Yeah. All right, we over here at the dyno. See what's going on out here. How much you think you're gonna push, bro?
Hoping for high 3s.
300s?
But she stocks, so only one way to find out.
That's what's up. Oh, look at her. What up? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you.
I saw you sneaking around over there earlier.
Yeah, I'm creeping. See what he get on the dyno. He might get 3s. Hopefully he'll get the 3s. Yeah. 380?
383, yeah.
What's the torque on it?
The torque is 421.
421 on torque. That's what's up. See what he got on that engine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. He beat his expectations. He's smiling right now. Good. Let's see what he got. I don't know if y'all can see that dash back there. All right, y'all. About to wrap it up. This shit's gonna keep going out. Yeah. We gonna get him to burn rubber. Skip. Yeah. All right, man. All right, gang. We got another Cars and Coffee. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Today was hot as hell, 90 degrees. My GoPro turned off 4 times, but guess what? We got to keep it going. So please like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so when I roll out the latest videos, you'll be able to receive them. Yes, sir. And remember,
I'm not from this planet.